The creation of the most beautiful, the most powerful, and the most delicate 3D printer, ZENITH D.
I have found the perfect item. It's the ZENITH D.
A self-heated resin tank that maintains a constant internal temperature, a sliding vat with increased convenience, and a stable integrated actuator. A DLP LED light system that enables uniform printing and uses Dentis's unique medical LED optics technology. Wi-Fi auto printing and USB storage. Dedicated software that was specially developed by dentists for dental users. The ZENITH D, creating outstanding printouts thanks to its stable, powerful performance.
It's extremely convenient because fast printout is possible via Wi-Fi.
Special materials that feature increased thermal resistance and durability. An innovative body design that considers both aesthetics and usability. A door window that enables prior check of the final printout. A 4.3-inch color touchscreen with enhanced convenience.
Sleek, compact, and stylish by design, the ZENITH D adds intrinsic elegance to any space.
Based on a high-resolution printing system that enables detailed expression, the ZENITH D features precise margin and occlusal surface, dental model, surgical guide, temporary, and cast coping, making it ideal for application to various areas.
Engineered for precision and speed, the ZENITH D prints in less than 1 hour, saving on time and resources. The ZENITH D DLP 3D printer is tailor-made for dental applications, optimizing chairside digital treatment.
Experience the perfect chairside 3D printer. ZENITH D